Welcome to this dive into buying and acquiring property shares in Chile through a share company. First, it's key to establish a share company, a legal entity offering benefits in limited liability and organizational structure, created by issuing shares representing company ownership. Next, we progress to acquiring property shares. In Chile, this involves identifying desired properties and negotiating purchase terms. The company can acquire shares through new share issuance or direct purchase. It's crucial to consider legal and regulatory aspects associated with property buying. Transactions must comply with local laws and government requirements, including obtaining permits and adhering to specific regulations. Shareholders share company ownership and consequently, acquired properties. It's vital to clearly establish each shareholder's responsibilities related to property shares, including associated benefits and risks. Effective property administration and management are critical success elements. The company should have a clear management plan for shares, addressing issues like maintenance, leasing, and possible improvements. In summary, buying and acquiring property shares in Chile through a share company is a complex yet strategic process. Adequate company formation, attention to legal and regulatory aspects, and effective property management are key success elements. Thanks for joining us in exploring property share buying in Chile through a share company. If you have more questions or need advice, don't hesitate to reach out to legal and financial professionals specialized in Chilean real estate transactions.